Hello children, a very good morning. Welcome to St. Thomas Babyland School. Myself Mrs. Asmita, and today our subject is English written, My English Notebook. Today we write in this book, My English Notebook Part 3. Okay? Now today we complete 4 page. Page number 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay? Today we write K to T. Here I draw 4 line, red line, blue line, red line. Okay. I'll show you how to write these all letters in line to line. Okay. So we start with K. With the blue line to red line. This way, come down, small curves, then like this way. K for kite. Now L for lion. Start with a red line, go up, turn, come down, turn and small curve. L for lion. Now M for monkey. Start with a blue line. Go up, come down, go up, come down and curves. M for monkey. Then N for nest. Small curves, go up to red line, come down, go up and small curves. And for nest. Now O for orange. Circle and curves. Write in 2 line. O for orange. Then P for peacock. Start with red line, come down, go up, small curves and turn. Okay. Then K, L, M, N, O, P, then Q. Q for queen. So write here circle, then turn. Q for queen. Then R for rabbit. Come down, turn and come down and curve. R for rabbit. Then S for sheep. Start with blue line, go up, small turn, come down this way. S for sheep and last T for tiger. This way. T for tiger. Write in 2 line. Okay. So these all letters we have to write in our book, English notebook, page number 9 to 12. Okay. So let's start. So children, English notebook, we complete our read and write letters A to J. So today we start K, L, M, N, O. K to O. Okay. So open your book, My English notebook, page number 9. Here you have to mention the date. First 10, 20, 20. Okay, page number 9. So let's start. First, start with the blue line to red line. This is here 4 lines is there. Red line and red line. These all letters we have to write in 2 line. Red line to blue line. Okay. So first, write like this way. First start with a blue line, go up, touch red line, then come down and small curves. Then start with a red line, come down like this way. Okay. K for kite. Okay. Now start with a blue line, go up, small curves, come down, again small curves, then curves. L for lion. K for kite, L for lion, then M for monkey. Start with blue line, go up, touch red line, come down, go up, come down and small curves. M for monkey. K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey. Now N for nest. Small curves with a blue line to red line. Come down, go up, and small curves. Okay? N for nest. Now circle and small curves. O for orange. Okay? It's your classwork and it's your homework. Okay? Now next page. Here also you have to mention the date. 1st 10/20/20. Page number 11. In this page we have to read and write letters P to T. Okay? So first start with a blue line. Come down, go up, then curves. P for parrot. Okay? Then circle, red line to blue line. In two line you have to write. Q for queen. Then start with a blue line. Come down, curves, go up, circle, come down and curve. Small curves. Okay? R for rabbit. Then start with a blue line. Go up, small turn, then come down this way. S for sheep. Then turn, small curves, start with red line, come down and small curves. T for tiger. Okay? Classwork and it's your homework. Here also write the date. Okay? So page number 9, page number 10, 11 and 12. These 4 pages you have to write in your book, My English Notebook Part 3. Okay children? Now bye bye. Have a wonderful day.